There were nights when I kept staring at my phone, hoping your message would appear, replaying our old conversations in my mind, trying to understand where things started changing, trying to find the exact moment when something real slowly turned into something distant. And the more I searched for answers, the more I realized that sometimes there is no clear moment, no clear reason, just a slow fade that leaves you confused and empty. I remembered how easily we used to talk, how natural everything felt, how time used to pass without us even noticing. And then I looked at the present, where every conversation felt forced, every reply felt delayed, and every moment felt like I was the only one trying to keep something alive that was already gone. And that contrast hurt more than anything else. It is a strange feeling when someone who once felt like home starts feeling like a stranger. When the same person who used to bring you peace becomes the reason for your overthinking, and you find yourself holding on to memories instead of reality, because the reality is too painful to accept, and the memories are the only place where everything still feels right. I kept telling myself to let go, to move on, to accept things as they are. But letting go is not as easy as it sounds, especially when you have invested your emotions, your time, and a part of yourself into someone. Because you are not just letting go of a person, you are letting go of everything you felt with them. Every moment, every conversation, every hope. But slowly, I started understanding something that changed everything. I realized that holding on to someone who is letting you go only hurts you more. And sometimes the closure you are waiting for will never come, because not everyone has the courage to explain their actions, and not everyone cares enough to give you the clarity you deserve. And that is when I made a decision. Not a loud one, not a dramatic one, but a quiet decision to choose myself, to stop chasing answers, to stop waiting for messages that would never come, and to stop giving my energy to someone who had already decided to walk away without saying it clearly. It wasn't easy. There were moments when I wanted to go back. Moments when I missed the old version of you. Moments when I questioned my decision. But deep inside, I knew that I was not missing you. I was missing the feeling you once gave me. And there is a big difference between missing a person and missing a feeling. With time, things started becoming clearer. I started seeing the situation for what it really was, not what I wanted it to be. And I realized that sometimes people don't leave suddenly. They slowly stop choosing you. And once someone stops choosing you, there is nothing left to fight for. Because love without effort, without consistency, and without intention cannot survive. That realization gave me strength, not the kind that makes you forget everything, but the kind that helps you accept things and move forward. And I understood that healing is not about erasing memories. It is about learning from them, growing from them, and becoming a better version of yourself because of them. Now when I look back, I don't feel the same pain anymore. I don't feel the same confusion. Instead, I feel clarity, I feel growth, and I feel a sense of peace. Because I finally understand that some people are not meant to stay in your life, no matter how important they once felt. And that is okay. because sometimes losing someone is not a loss. It is a lesson that teaches you your worth, your boundaries, and the kind of love you truly deserve. And once you learn that lesson, you stop settling for less and start choosing a life where you are valued, respected, and genuinely cared for.